Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use gift card balance on Grubhub. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Grubhub, click the Create Your Account option. And from here, all you have to do is just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, using a gift card balance on Grubhub can be advantageous for a lot of reasons because number one, it allows you to order food from a variety of restaurants conveniently through the Grubhub platform without needing to use a credit card or cash. If you don't have the gift card yet, all you have to do is click the Buy a Gift Card option here. And what will happen is that you would be forwarded in this specific page wherein all I have to do is put in the recipient's name. All right. Okay. And then, or you might want to put in if it's for yourself so that you can use it to buy anything here in Grubhub platform. All I have to do is click on continue. And what will happen is you would be asked to get it. Is it going to be a physical card wherein you can send a traditional gift card through the mail, which is very flexible in shipping options available for you. Now, if you choose the digital card, you can send a gift card by email, obviously. You can schedule immediate delivery or choose a date and time. Now, for example, if you click on the send a digital card, all right, you need to pick a design. You can choose the Mother's Day, Father's Day, be it graduation, thank you, birthday, new parents, thinking of you, and you can also upload your own photo, which I am going to do right now. Now, after that, I'm gonna click on done, and yes, I just continue. All right. Now you can choose the amount. You can put 25, 50, 100, 250, and 500. It doesn't matter. All I have to do is click on maybe 25 for now. Click on continue, and what will happen is it would be forwarded and again on the next option that says you can remove or if you want to add another card. If you have a promo code, especially here, you can put in so you can get a discount from the $25 that you are going to pay. After that, all you have to do is hover to the upper right corner, and I need you to click on the payments, all right? Or there's an option that says gift cards, but again, what will happen is you would be still forwarded here. Now, once you are on the gift cards, as you can see, you need to make sure that you have, of course, enough balance on your Grubhub account. You can add a new gift card if you wanted, and of course, again, if you haven't done so, you can click the buy a gift card option. That would be forwarded you again to the exact same page we had earlier. But if you click on the redeem a gift card, all I have to do is add a gift card number. You need to enter the 17-character gift card code, for example. And after that, all you have to do is add that to your account. What will happen is the gift card balance will be reflected here. All right. Now, some people usually go to the Grubhub gift card balance checker. Now, it's the same process, but the thing is, here you can fill in as much as information as you can, enter, and click the check balance here. What will happen is you will be forwarded the information if you have a valid gift card, all right? And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.